Hey Jordan, how you doing, bud?
Good, how you going?
Yeah, awesome, man. Thanks for having me over.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me a little bit about your hair.
Okay, so my hair I like to keep very tight. I go to the barber every 2 to 3 weeks.
So I'm going to give you a couple of tips today, dude. Good. All right, this is going to help you maintain your hair in between haircuts. So this is the VSforMen Crew Cut. So pretty much you can rub it over your head and it'll all go exactly the same length.
Okay, perfect.
Work this back and forth over your head, dude. So Jordan, if you're seeing some patches there, just work the clipper in a circular motion and it'll blend it out. So to finish this off, we're going to use the finishing trimmer. Cool. So what we're going to do, we want to square up around the hairline. So what we want to do is place the trimmer onto the hairline and pull down. That will just give you a really nice clean finish. So that's looking really good, man. Maintenance-wise, it's going to just sharpen up your haircut. So that can be done every week. Deal?
Deal.
So, mate, looking sharp.
It looks really sharp. Yeah, I really dig it.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes.
What?
Okay, so I have this thing. I have 2 grey nose hairs that come down very often and I need to get rid of them.
Oh, mate, I'm so glad. I think every guy has it. Diamond precision.
Oh, it's hectic in there. Yeah, I love the hair and the line is looking super fresh.
Mate, you nailed it.